All right, you have a chance to win a year's worth of groceries. Sign me up just by helping the community and rolling up your sleeves.
Yeah, so it's thanks to a partnership between the South Texas Blood and Tissue Center and HEB, our local grocer.
And to help save a life. One lucky winner will win the $7,000 HEB gift card. That's enough to cover a year's worth of groceries. $7,000. Man, I can fill up my cart with that. Make your appointment by calling 833-YOU-GIVE or going online to southtexasblood.org and using the promo code GROCERIES. Leaders at South Texas Blood and Tissue say winter is one of the most challenging times of the year for blood supply. So your donation means so much, and it is needed this time of the year.
Yeah, that's a win-win.
Save a life.
Yeah,
Yes.
Save a life and get entered for a pretty good gift card.
Yeah, no,
I
that's
could do
awesome.
a lot with